In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Photoshop the easiest and cleanest way possible. Whether you're creating thumbnails, printing photos, posting on social media, or building a portfolio, adding a border can instantly make your image look more polished and professional. The method I'll show you today uses canvas size, which is the best way to create a clean, even border around your image in just a few seconds. Make sure to watch until the end for a quick tip that ensures your border appears perfectly even on all sides. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting the image you want to work with. Once your image is open and visible on your canvas, we're ready to add the border. Now go to the top menu and click on Image, then choose Canvas Size. Make sure you're clicking Canvas Size and not Image Size. Image size changes the dimensions of your photo itself, while canvas size expands the area around your image, which is exactly what we want for creating a border. When the canvas size window appears, you'll see your current width and height. To create a border, you simply need to increase these values. For example, if you want a medium-sized border, you can add 100 pixels to the width and 100 pixels to the height. If your unit is not set to pixels, you can change it in the drop-down menu next to the measurement values. Here's how it works. When you increase the canvas size, Photoshop adds extra space around your existing image. That extra space becomes your border. Before clicking OK, look at the anchor grid in the canvas size dialog box. This step is very important. Make sure the anchor is set to the center square. When the anchor is centered, Photoshop expands the canvas evenly on all sides. If you accidentally select a different anchor position, the border will only appear on certain sides instead of all around the image. Next, choose your canvas extension color. This determines the color of your border. You can select white, black, gray, or even choose a custom color. If you want a classic photo look, white is a great option. For a bold or dramatic effect, black works really well. Simply select your preferred color from the drop-down menu. Once everything looks good, your width and height are increased, the anchor is centered, and your extension color is selected, click OK. And just like that, Photoshop expands the canvas and creates a clean, even border around your image. It's quick, non-destructive to your actual photo, and gives you a perfectly symmetrical result. If the border looks too thin or too thick, you can simply go back to Image, Canvas Size again, and adjust the values until you're happy with the result. You can even repeat the process to create layered borders by adding different colors one after another. That's it. That's the easiest and best way to add a border in Photoshop using Canvas Size. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.